everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Mimeograph Monday with a twist. Now the twist will be, I'm not going to be doing an actual Mimeograph Monday with a twist today. I'm going to see how this week goes. I've been struggling with vertigo. Yesterday was pretty bad. I was in bed all day, so I'm just trying not to move my head too much. So I don't know if you've ever had vertigo. My mom gets it, but it's not good. Like your eyes roll in the back of your head, and it's just like really nauseous. So I've been taking like motion pills, just to keep that down. And I don't know if it has to do with being deaf or what, but so yeah. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I'm in Santa Valley, Arizona, so welcome. I should be in the chat room during the live premiere. This one, like I said, is going to be quick. We'll see how the rest of the week goes, just because I don't want to overdo it before it is all the way gone. So I spent pretty much all day in bed yesterday, just laying really still, and I do these head exercises that is supposed to help, but like I said, I just want to take it easy, because we have company coming, so I don't want to be laid up, right? So yeah, so today I'm just gonna show you quick what I did with a few of these little antique things that I picked up, and then I'll let you go, because that was a long video. So I don't want to promise anything for the rest of the week, but if I do, it'll just be my regular times, right? Which is always 3 o'clock Arizona time. And so yeah, so when the time changes, which I think is in March, right? Is it in March? Arizona doesn't change the time, so just keep that in mind. But I'll remind you when it gets closer. All right, so I want to show you this. So I got this little jar, or little gravy boat creamer. Oh my gosh, I don't know what it is, but I love the shape of it. It's like really, really round on the top. But what I did was I put my little bottles in there, and it's perfect because then they can lay like upside down to keep the juice down. Now some, it doesn't matter. This is like that 91% alcohol when you use the blends with the vellum. That is really cool. This is just regular water. Then I have my green tip glue, and then this is the fine tip glue. So I just have, but what's nice about this is really nice and big. I actually have room for a few more of these if I find, because these are good little bottles. If you are interested in those, I do have a link to them in my Amazon storefront. You can find that on my blog. I've also sent them a few times with a class or an event. And then what I did was I just switched these are just extra little pieces of, when I'm doing die cutting, sometimes I'm running through a piece of paper, I'm like, oh, well, and then I might use this shape a lot, and I'll just stick that die on there and run it at the same time, just so that I have some extras. But this was a perfect little one. I picked this one up last time, I think. But this is a great little shape for those die cuts. So it just sits on, I have a little white cake plate stand or whatever. So those two just sit on that cake plate stand off to the side, and then I'm able to put stuff underneath it. But look how cool this turned out. So I need to get some more silver polish, but this is really polishing up beautifully. And I just put some buttons in it. And I just put it on one of my tier trays. So yeah, so I could show you more stuff, but like I said, I'm just going to kind of take it easy. This is a really, really quick little video. I'm just using my head moving my head as least as possible. No bending over, no, tilting my head back, just kind of taking it easy. What was I going to say? Oh, there is going to be some new celebration stuff coming. They're adding some more stuff, but I haven't seen that yet. When the video goes, it might be there. So just always check out my online store. They always add some more stuff the second month of of celebration. Because I don't know if you're like me, but I usually get all the celebrations I want, you know, the first month, and then, you know, sometimes I'll grab extra like designer series paper or the pretty ribbon. But it's nice that they add some new stuff. So yeah, so if you have like a second or third or fifth or fourth, whatever, order that you're placing, then you can choose some different stuff. So like I said, that should be happening soon if it hasn't already. But just go to my store. You can always check out online exclusives. I know we get 2 new kits a month. Last month we actually got 3, I believe. But anyway, so if you have any questions at all, just make sure you holler at me. If you're watching the replay, leave a comment down below. YouTube will let me know that I can reach out. You can holler at me on my blog, my storefront, all that good stuff. But yeah, so I know this was really short, so I do apologize. But have a great day, night, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. If not, like, I'll let you know, right? All right, so I'm going to stop blabbing and have a good rest of your night. All right, see you later. Bye for now.